Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn on Android programming how to create a basics application. These are the steps that are given towards your right side, like how to creating a Hello World application in the Android. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll follow the steps. So first you have to click and open the Android Studio, then a dialog box will open, then you have to click on new project, create it, then you have to choose empty views activity. Okay, so now I just have already installed an Android Studio, so it is showing here. For installation you can watch the other video for Android installation of mine, and you can follow these steps for installation and you can continue with that. So right now I've already installed. I'll click on Android Studio. So already I have some applications, so it is getting opened like this. If there are no applications, then you have to click on here, new, okay, go to file, click on new, okay, project, yeah. So as this opens, you will get a empty views activity. So select this empty views activity, okay, then select, sometimes default language will be Kotlin like this, okay. So change the name. So I am changing the name to first program demo, or first letter must be capital, so I'll just demo. So I've given as a program demo, and I'm going to change the language from Kotlin to Java. For some other higher versions of Android, you may not get this language option, right? Okay, even if you didn't get, not a problem. So just click on finish. It takes some time and then you will get the screen. Okay, have to wait for some time. While importing, when you create a project, it starts importing all the necessary packages that are there. So for this Wi-Fi connections or whatever the internet things that you are using should be proper, so otherwise it takes more time. So here you can observe the Gradle project synchronization is in process. So until then we have to wait for some time. Okay, once everything is done, you will get a page like this. So now what here you have to do is, you have to click on this application, then resource, under layout you select activity main.xml. So this is a page where we create a front-end design for application. So since we are creating the Hello World application, by default in the Android there will be a Hello World written for you actually. So what we have to do is, here you can find the three options, that is code, split, design view. Code means it will take you to the code. Split view, you can see both design as well as the code. Design, only we can design it. So right now we are creating an application for Hello World. So here I'll just take one text. So here already by default it is there. If you want we can keep, or I'll delete it if nothing is there. So just go here, select the text options, drag and drop here, so wherever you want, and then you have to adjust it according to the requirements by dragging this, or where I want Hello World to be displayed for me, right, like this. Just you need to adjust it, whether I want at the center or towards the left or towards the right. So once the adjustment is done, just you go for, this is a designing part. I have done designing, I want to print this. Then go to code. Here there is an option called as a text view. All the other codes will be readily available. It is a built-in code, you nothing to do with that. Only text is given as a text view. Here what you have to do is, you have to type. In this application we are just typing a text to be displayed on the Android phone. So here I'll just type welcome to Android programming. So just I have typed welcome to Android programming. In order to save this application, you can click on file, select all. You can do this, or either you can press Ctrl S also. So all the projects whatever you have done will be saved automatically. So now coding is done. I have saved the file also. So next thing is I have to execute it. See, that is you can view whatever the code that we have typed is appeared on the design also. Next thing is I have to run this application. So before running the application, you can select the device in which you are going to learn. So this plus indicates, so you have to select your right hand corner, device manager. So plus indicates which virtual device you want to display. That means whatever the content that we want to display on which particular phone I am going to do it. So based on this phone, I will display the content. Whatever the code that I have written will be displayed on the phone. Or if you want a tablet, you can go for tablet. So desktop, or if you want to do it on TV or an automotive. So all this, provided that each of this should be installed separately. Okay. Right now I have not installed any of this application. We have only phone and we have small and medium phone that is being installed. Each thing may require 1 GB of memory. So depending on the requirement we have installed. So if you want to use small phone, select small. If you want to use medium, select medium and click on next. Okay. So just I click on next and finish. So if you don't have that, Google will ask whether you want to download it. So if you don't have, you click on yes and download. So already I have installed, so I am clicking on no. Okay. So I'll just close this because I have already there. It is already there. Okay. So just you can click on this and start the device manager. So it will be running. Okay. So it will be running. It will just connect to the emulator. Okay. And it will display. As I said, it takes some time. So now you can see the medium phone that I have selected. That medium phone will be displayed here. So on this phone, we are just printing one text, that is welcome to Android programming. So it will display, take some time and it will display. So you can see it is starting, right? So after it displays, automatically whatever the code that we have typed will be displayed. So this is my medium phone that is getting displayed. So once you run the emulator, you have to run the application. So this is run, this is debug. Okay. So right now I am running the emulator. So now I want to run the code that I have written. So I'll just click on run this. So if there are any errors while typing, it get displays here right now. So I have to go and change the coding format. So it will take some time. It will run. Here you can see launching on device. So whatever the code that has been we have typed there, it should be launched here. And it will say install successfully. So this message it will display. So now whatever the code that we have typed, that is welcome to Android programming, will be displayed at the center. So why it is displaying at the center? Because I have dragged and adjusted in the design view. If you didn't drag and adjust, it will be displayed towards the left hand top corner by default. So if you want to place the text anywhere, you can drag and drop as I told. So here in the design phase, you can see here the text. So now if you want the text to put it somewhere here, so I can drag and drop the text there, right, like this. So just click on this, hold this on the blue button and just drag the text. So wherever we want, just place it here. So now I have placed towards the top. Once again, if I run this application, so it is running right now. The emulator is running and it is successfully now where it will display. See, it has displayed at the top because I have changed the design. So this is how you can do it. Still we have so many options like buttons, you can add images, you can add fragments, you can add scroll, you can add if you want a scroll view, like instead of pressing the button, if you want to scroll it, all those things you can do it. Okay. We'll furthermore in other videos, in the further videos, I'll show you how to use all these tools and how to create other applications. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.